Today is National Mango Day. Every year July 22nd is dedicated to National Mango Day because mango is our national fruit. It was first cultivated in India about 5000 years ago, and around 100 varieties of mangoes are grown in India. Approximately 20 million tons of mangoes are grown annually in India. Do you know mango tree can grow as tall as 100 feet? Mango, which is the king of fruits, provide 100% of your daily vitamin C. A basket of mango is a gesture of friendship in India. The students, I have told so many things about mango. Now let us start our today's activity. Our today's activity is also related to National Mango Day. And today we'll make a beautiful mango with paper quilling. For doing this activity we need a piece of yellow chart and a smaller piece of green chart and a very small piece of brown paper, a brown chart piece, a knife, big sized scale and some glue. First of all, we'll cut some quills out of the yellow chart. For cutting the quills of same or equal width, we need a big sized scale like this. First of all, we'll mark here on every 1 centimeter like this. हमने हर एक सेंटीमीटर पर मार्क करना है. Then put the scale straight with the mark and take the knife and try to cut it like this. Then fold it and cut like this. Then again put the scale with 1 centimeter mark. Fold it. You have to cut at least 12 or 15 strips out of this paper. Students, I have cut 13 quills or strips. Now I'll join them with each other. आपने इन सबको एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ना है glue से. Here you can see I have joined all the strips. Let it dry for some time. It is dried now. Now take one edge and start rolling like this. आपने इसको ऐसे रोल करते हुए पूरी स्ट्रिप को रोल करना है और एक बड़ा सा रोल तैयार करना है. स्टूडेंट्स, here you can see I have rolled it up to the other end of the strip. Now paste its end here. Now I'll give it the shape of mango. Now cut green strips in the same way. Cut 5 or 6 strips of green color of same width. I have cut 5 strips of green color. Now join them in the same way and let them dry for some time. It is dried now. Now make a roll in the same way. Put it down and paste its edge and give it the shape of a leaf like this. Now paste the leaf like this with the mango. Now we have to make its little branch. So take brown paper and cut 2 strips. I have pasted them. Now we'll give it a shape of little branch. Fold it like this. Our branch is ready. Now paste it here. A beautiful mango with quilling is ready. Now paste it on a drawing sheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.